We'll be watching for heavy rain and again the possibility of a couple of rumbles of thunder. Tomorrow is an impact day for the rain in the morning, and then we'll be watching for any flooding concerns from ice jams on our rivers as we head into the early afternoon. We will keep the wind up through the day as well. Then temperatures drop Saturday, and we'll be watching for some snowflakes around as we head into your Sunday. Because of that ice jam flooding potential, a flood watch is in effect for everybody north and east of Allegheny County, as we still have some ice jam reports on area rivers, and with the rain that is coming, that could make things a little worse, and so a flood watch is up until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Rounds of rain kind of moving through now. This is round one. Again, the main round is not here until a little bit later. Some heavier rain south of 422 in Indiana County, so over towards East Wheatfield, back towards Blairsville, all the way towards Hampton Township, Irwin, North Huntington, Greensburg, Jeanette, back down towards Ligonier, and then up into Somerset County. And then we do still have a severe thunderstorm warning for Monongalia and Preston counties. This goes until 4:30. There has been hail reported with this a quarter size. This is eventually heading off towards Fayette County if this holds together, although it doesn't look quite as impressive as it did as it moved through Marion County in West Virginia a little bit earlier. So again, impact day tomorrow at 62. Wind will be the main story through the day as we watch river rises as well. 46 on Saturday, snow chance Sunday and Monday. Temperatures back into the 30s. Lows drop back below freezing, and then temperatures rebound as we head into the middle of next week. We'll be in the 40s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and we'll watch for rain chances Wednesday and Thursday as well as another system heads in our direction. So again, this wave will exit over the course of about the next hour or so. As we head through the rest of the evening, just outside of a light sprinkle, we're dry. Here is 10 o'clock. That's when rain begins arriving from southwest to northeast. 1 o'clock overnight, you'll see pockets of heavy rain rolling through, perhaps a rumble of thunder. By about 4 o'clock, the heaviest rain will drift off to the east, and we should dry out by about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. By the time we're done with the rain, on average a half an inch across western Pennsylvania, but if you get underneath a heavier downpour or a thunderstorm, potentially up to an inch of rain is possible. For now, you can see some sunshine poking back out on Action Cam. 55 is the current temperature. Winds are southeast at 13 miles per hour. This evening, you'll be generally dry. After about 10 o'clock, we'll watch for rain chances. Those end tomorrow morning, and then the wind picks up as we head through the rest of your Friday.